While the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series may still seem like a fresh new wearable, we're already almost at the next iteration. Based on what we know, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is shaping up to be another solid addition to the company's Wear OS stable, but leaked images and specs already give us a pretty good idea about the upcoming timepieces. First of all, there's a question that everyone's being asking about. Will there be a Pro or Classic model? It's not clear if Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Watch 6 with the same original and Pro models as the current generation. Samsung's 4th generation Galaxy Watch had the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, while the 5th gen Galaxy Watch series was comprised of the Watch 5 and 5 Pro. The company could continue the lineup it started with the previous iteration, but there has been no consistency from year to year. Some reports claim that Samsung will be announcing the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Pro models. If true, the company could also be bringing back the same sizes from the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, with only slight changes and refinements to cases and bezels. Tipster Ice Universe says that Samsung will be slimming down the bezel on the Watch 6 Pro and bringing back the rotating crown that featured on the Watch 4 Classic with that. The Watch 6 has fewer rumors on what it will have, other than a slightly larger battery. Will there still be a Galaxy Watch 6 Pro? That remains to be seen. There haven't been many rumors about that particular model, but it's likely that Samsung will stick with its two-prong approach and offer two watches. However, will the company return to the Classic model, keep the Pro moniker, or go for broke and use both for a total of 3 variants? We'll just need to wait and see. So if we are getting the rotating bezel, we can assume it is a Classic version, until Samsung confirms its name. Now if we'll talk about the design, the Watch 5 didn't bring a remarkable design change to the Galaxy Watch line. However, that isn't necessarily a complaint, as the watches share an elegant aesthetic, eye-catching AMOLED displays, and impressive specs. With a winning design, we can likely expect Samsung to deliver much of the same this time around. If the Watch 6 looks to you similar to last year's Watch 5, that's because the two are expected to actually have the exact same physical dimensions. Based on leaks from reputable sources, Samsung is sticking with the round design, same thickness, same width, overall no changes in sizing. As for colorways, Samsung's watches have traditionally mirrored its smartphones. You can expect traditional colors like black and white, but Samsung has also used green, paint gold, purple, and sapphire in its past 2 watch lineups. Some renders obtained by WinFuture appear to confirm there will be at least 2 color options for the Classic and 3 for the regular version. For the Watch 6, it appears the colors will be black, cream, and silver. As for the Classic, the 2 color offerings are black and silver. Consequently, these leaked renders also seem to suggest that the Pro line could be finished. In addition to these renders, the publication claims the Watch 6 will be available in 2 case sizes, 40 and 44mm, while the Classic model will come in 43 and 47mm. On the spec side, the lineup series will land with a better processor, but only slightly. Thanks to a regulatory filing, we know the Watch 6 will come with the Exynos W930 SoC, an upgrade over the W920 seen in the Watch 4 and 5 models. However, the newer chipset is based on the same model number as the older one. That means the chipset is physically the same but altered slightly to warrant a new name. In other words, expect an overclocked version of last year's chipset, not a brand new device. There have also been rumors that Samsung may bring micro-LED displays to the lineup, echoing similar murmurs about the rumored Apple Watch Ultra 2. According to SamMobile, however, the tech won't be ready for a July launch, so this upgrade will likely debut until the Galaxy Watch 7. Micro-LED displays offer a brighter viewing experience with better color reproduction and visibility. They could also help conserve battery life. In early May, Samsung announced a few key features that will debut on the Watch 6. These will arrive with One UI 5 Watch, a new version of the skin based on Wear OS 4. One of the biggest highlights of the update is Fitbit-like sleep tracking. With a word-based numeric score and a cute animal, the new sleep tracking platform offers a personalized look at your sleep history. It even provides suggestions for improving your sleep habits. Unlike Fitbit, however, this feature will not be locked behind a paywall. Not much detail is available yet about what tracking features might improve in the next generation. We found the current series fitness tracking and built-in GPS quite reliable. Also arriving with the new One UI 5 watch are workout heart rate zones for even more advanced real-time training feedback. These zones will be distinguished as warm-up, fat burn, cardio, etc. Samsung is also updating fall detection for even safer workouts and outings. When the feature is triggered, users can communicate directly with emergency services. Samsung also recently announced irregular heart rhythm notifications for the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5, so it stands to reason that this feature will be available on the 6 series when it lands. This is an important addition for those with heart problems, as abnormal rhythm fluctuations could indicate atrial fibrillation. One feature we know is coming is a nifty new way to transfer your watch from one phone to another. Previously, this would require a full reset of the watch, but One UI 5 watch will negate the need for this annoying step. Thankfully, this means if you buy a Watch 6 and then upgrade next year to the Galaxy S24, you won't need to reset your watch during a transfer. The Pro model brought new navigation features on board for outdoor enthusiasts, likening the device to an experience you might find in Garmin's stable. Likely, those tools are here to stay as well. It's yet to be determined if they will make their way to the base model of the Series 6 lineup. One of the biggest complaints against the Watch 5 was battery life, as most users had to charge it every day. Samsung seems to have heard those complaints, and the Galaxy Watch 6 brings a bigger battery, and coupled with the improvements in Wear OS 4.0, we are very hopeful for battery life. According to Galaxy Club, the Watch 6 series batteries could grow slightly. The information comes from certifications obtained by the smartwatches in Samsung's home country, South Korea. The smallest Watch 6 model could have a 40mm body with a 300 mAh battery, compared to the 284 of the 40mm Watch 5. Meanwhile, the 44mm Galaxy Watch 6 could see a 425, a slight increase over the 410 mAh battery of the 44mm Watch 5. Those are minor gains, but any improvement is welcome. There's no word on the Watch 6 Classic battery stats yet. Samsung typically reveals the newest iterations of Galaxy watches at the company's Unpacked events, usually held in February and August. However, thanks to a leaked press release that has since been deleted, we now know that the summer Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2023 has been confirmed for late July. As for pricing, there have been no rumors suggesting anything about the device yet, though we can assume that the pricing will increase nearly by 20% due to inflation in the market. In summary, the Galaxy Watch 6 shapes up to be a welcome update that aims to fix all the shortcomings of the previous model. Sure, the design might look similar, but the expected improvements to battery life, the larger screen, the faster processor are just the kinds of improvements we wish for. And we absolutely love having durable sapphire glass on a watch at this price point, while a similar Apple Watch in a stainless steel body and sapphire glass would set you back nearly $800. Samsung has a solid smartwatch track record even before its latest foray with Wear OS. Considering the sturdy foundation laid by the Watch 4 and the improved Watch 5, the upcoming Watch 6 series should be worth considering for those upgrading existing hardware or joining the smartwatch club. Of course, much surrounding the devices remains a mystery. We aren't sure about the pricing details or which model bodies will be available at launch. However, what we know already paints a promising picture of another improvement to Samsung's watch lineup. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup from Samsung? Let us know your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.